Hey guys, welcome to Scoutback Adventures. In this episode, we're heading to the Capitol State Forest in Olympia, Washington, and we're going to head up to some snow with the Rugged Roo Crew, so stick around. I met up with the crew in Olympia, and we made our way into the Capitol State Forest. We had some more recent members joining us for this trail run, including Holly, RDR2 on Instagram, in her 2014 Impreza Sport. She's running stock tires and suspension, so we'll see how she does on this trail. Maybe next time. We made a brief stop at this clearing to hang out and take some pictures. As we gained elevation, the snow was getting deeper and deeper. The Impreza's all-season tires and low ground clearance were starting to become an issue. With some steep cliffs and big drop-offs, it's definitely enough to make anyone a little nervous. But don't worry, Holly, I got your back. I carry traction boards and a full set of recovery gear just for this type of situation. Go, mighty Impreza, go! We didn't want anyone to feel uncomfortable driving in these conditions, so we decided to head down to a lower elevation. We didn't do anything too hardcore today, but there's nothing wrong with a nice drive through the forest with your friends, especially when those friends are the mighty Rugged Roo Crew. fine looking crew they are. Here's our fearless leader Dorothy in the Roy Robinson Subaru loaner car. Ninja Outback had a little incident a little while back and her car's getting repaired right now, but you'll have to ask her about that one. We had another fog light surround casualty. We had another fog light surround casualty here.
No, put it back in.
Yeah, before she even sees it, just put it back in. It is now. No, I'm just kidding. All right, perfect. Well, another great day with the Rugged Roo Crew is in the books. You know there's going to be plenty more of those to come, so stick around. As always, thanks for watching.